Daksh and I welcome you to the channel Pythoneese. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe to our video. So let us start with the program. Let us start with a programming exercise. Today we will be covering the exercise of strings. As last time we did, first of all we did indexing. So let us do once more time, that is new is equals to word. This is the bracket operator and its position, and now we will be just printing that new. Let us try once. Here 1 is y, because we all know that p is 0 and likewise it goes on. So now we will be doing some string slicing, and one more fact here is that if you wanna don't know its exact what's the length and all, well, we have an function, but if you still don't know, then how can we do to the till the last? It is simple that you just put these two dots and it is considered till last. Let us print and see what will happen. See, everything till here is printed. Now the same, just we have to reverse it and it will take it to the starting. This means 0 till the end. So it will print it up whole Python. Yeah. So if I write here till 5, let us see what will happen. Yeah, Python, because we know that string slicing we have to write till the uh, in string slicing we have to add one more in the place where we need. For example, if we need till O, then I have to write till the index of n also, then only it will print it. Now let us move ahead. Let us now know the while loop that we wrote last time. Yeah, before that we should have a look at the length thing. It is simple. We just have to length that object. The syntax is of course len. We have already discussed last time. Now let us see what happens. Here it is 6, because when we are doing the length, p is also considered 1 when we are doing the length. It's specified. Now we should write a program. Last time we discussed that, but I am writing so that it fits in our mind and it's more convenient to remember. Not actually remember that, but actually there's a lot of applications for that. So you can compare if any this kind of code is asked for you in the exams later on. So now I will write ind for index as 0. Now while ind is smaller than length of word, then a letter is equals to word and bracket operator, we all know that, and ind. Now to because every time it will be 0 only, then it will only print p, so we have to change the value of ind also. It's ind is equals to ind plus 1 plus 1, or one more thing we can do here is simply just doing plus is equals to 1, and this will also work the same way. Oh, sorry, I forgot to print it out. Print, and we have to print the letter. It is printed. See, Python. So Now, next you will be doing some methods that we discussed last time. Methods are really very simple. There's nothing to fear from them. Just one. I will show you something. There's some just a small thing I want to show you. There, there is a syntax, okay, and double quotes. Here are the all methods that are included inside the string. You can, it's not compulsory that you write str in double quotes then do there. You can also use a simple variable here. So we will be looking at some methods that are lower, upper, strips, and starts with. Starts with and strip are the new things, sorry, methods that were not included last time. We will also seeing upon that. Let us see. Now we should try upper. The new, I like to add some variables in this in my code. It's my habit, so don't go upon that. Now word word dot word dot lower, sorry, sorry, I have clicked upon the wrong thing. Lower, yeah, on, and print new. Now let us see, does it works or not. See, it works and it lowers down whole Python string. This will be very useful in the next chapter where we will be extracting some bit of lines from a file that we have saved in here. uh, in next chapter, not now, because we are doing string. That chapter name is files. Now here I will use upper and change it to lowercase so that we have a better understanding. Just run it and see, all things are upper. Now we will be looking upon the dot starts with method, and I'm just writing Python only. And now we will be looking upon the starts with method. Word dot starts with. Of course, you have to write something inside the bracket to for telling the Python is it true or false. Let me write P. So it will simply print out true. Oh, I'm sorry, we forgot to put the variable here and changing the variable here also. Variable is new. Word dot start. Yes, it's correct. Yeah, it prints out true, and if I change simply to P, then we all know that Python is most sensitive towards lowercase and uppercase, so it will simply print out false. Yeah, false. Now we should simply look upon the format operator that we have already discussed last time. Format operator is simply this percentage sign, normally called in maths. Now let us look upon some examples. The I saw D, we all know format operator plus D is for integers. D, camels. Yeah. Format operator, it's for 4 leaves, right? I saw 4 camels. And if you want to know more about format operator, you can refer to the link given in the description box. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, that is Pythonese. Thank you.